Okay guys, welcome back. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bit more about TradeWiz. If you've seen in the previous video, I covered their copy trading features and how to set up copy trading through them, how to find alpha wallets. So if you haven't seen that, wait to the end of this video and then go and check that out. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you like a really good overview of their bot, what features they have in it. And I'm also going to be showing you how to link the Telegram side of the bot to Google Chrome on their Chrome extension and how to just use their Chrome extension, because both work really well together. So if you like to just trade through your mobile, through the Telegram bot, then you can do. If not, and you're more of a desktop user and you want to trade on your desktop, then you can use their Chrome extension, and it is super fast. It's very good. Their features are exceptionally good. They have some features that Axiom don't have, which is really cool, and you can use their bot on their features with Axiom, with Bullex, with Dex Screener, a lot of different trading platforms. So let's get into it. So welcome back. I'm Ali. This is the Simply Blockchain channel, and we cover everything crypto here. And today we're going to be going into having a deeper look into TradeWiz and their features. So if you go to the link in the description, click on the TradeWiz link, which should be the top link in there. It's going to bring you to TradeWiz, their bot. It's going to give you something like this. So as you can see, it's given us a Solana wallet, and that is my wallet address. I've already funded it, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to just head to wallet quickly. And then from here, go export private key. Now what that's going to do is going to give you a private key. You can take it to Phantom. I tell everyone to use it in all my videos. I cannot stress enough how important it is to just save your private keys and add it to some other wallet app. As much as I trust these bots that I do videos on, it's always worth it just in case you ever lose contact with your Telegram account. Once you've done that, obviously then you can send some Solana to your wallet address. As you can see here, I've funded the wallet today, and I've put 2 Solana in this wallet, and you are pretty much set up as far as the Telegram bot part of this goes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you quickly how to set up the Axiom, or how to set it up through Axiom, and how to set up their Google Chrome extension. Once we've done that, I'm going to come back to Telegram. So if you just click on extension, it's going to take you to the Google Chrome extension, and then where you can just download the Chrome extension. Now I already have it, so I don't need to download it. As you can see here, it's already set up. So it's going to give you, once you've downloaded this, it's going to give you a code. Now with that code, you just want to head over back to their bot and paste the code in their bot. Once you've done that, it will link the two. So it will know that your Google Chrome account is linked to that Telegram account. It is really straightforward. It's really simple. And then obviously from there, you can then see your balance and your token balance. As you can see, I've got 2 Solana in Solana, which is $400, and I've got $1,100 in another token. It will give you some little tick boxes here. Now we're going to get to them in a minute, but these are really good. But for now, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to head over to Axiom and just link our wallet with Axiom. So as you can see here, I've got 2 Solana, which is the wallet that we've set up through TradeWiz. So if you just click on your little account and security, it's going to take you to this screen here. You're going to want to click wallets. And then from here, guys, obviously you probably would have already set up an Axiom wallet, which I've called Axiom main, when you set up the account. All you want to do is going to just hit import. Now you're going to take the private key that the bot gave you right at the beginning that I asked you to add into Phantom. You're just going to add it in here. And once you've added it in here, you can then use and trade your TradeWiz wallet through Axiom. It just makes it a lot easier. So now we've got the same wallet on TradeWiz, Axiom, and on Phantom. All those 3 platforms we can use that wallet through. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Now I'm going to just show you quickly, this is part of their extension here. As you can see here, they've got like an alpha signals channel that sits on the side of your screen here, and it gives you some times when they've called a token, when their certain thresholds are hit, and they will just spit out a token. As you can see here, this has been triggered 1 time, called dog, trigger market cap 53k. It is saying it's currently 58k. Now the trigger was only 20 seconds ago, so let's just check this out quickly, just showing you some of their features. TradeWiz have popped this up as a smart buy, so they've obviously got two wallets in that they track, bought this token, and they have recommended that you should probably buy it too, or maybe at least look into it. As you can see here, they've been pretty consistent with their wins. Like the last few signals that they've done is a 3x, a 1.8x, 5x, 6x, so on and so on. So as you can see, this token's just migrated. We didn't buy it, but we could do if we wanted to. So as you can see here, this is their little trade extension. Now this is very, very good. So you can quite literally just press any of these buttons, go straight into a trade, whatever's on your screen here, and then sell exactly the same. Now they also on this have limit orders. So if I click limit on this little box here, a little yellow line pops up. Now, if I drag this yellow line to wherever I think that the price might come back to, let's just say that it's going to come back and find support here at 20k. I mean, if it does that, it might probably die. However, you can then click on a certain amount of Solana you want to buy, click create, and that will create it for you. You can also use this slider and slide to the market cap that you think that you want to buy at. So if you're looking to buy at 36k, slide it to 36k, or you move the yellow line, type in the amount, type create, and that will create that for you. If you don't want to do a limit buy, you can just buy manually through this TradeWiz bot, which I think is an exceptional feature. It's super, super fast as well. And the best thing about this, let me just show you. I'm just going to buy 0.1 of this token here. Let's just show you. As you can see, transaction confirmed. I've bought it. I bought in. My green line is my cost average. And then what I'll do is I'll just head over to Telegram. And as you can see on Telegram, it showed me that I've swapped dog, price, market cap, gives me everything. Deck screener link, and it tells me how much Solana I've bought, which is the 0.1 that we just spent. And it gives me more buying options here, and it gives me my selling options. So you can just do this through Telegram if you want. If you want to do this part through your phone, or you can do this through Axiom, Bullets, Deck Screener. There's a whole load of different places you can actually use this bot through. It's fantastic. I've got a Deck Screener link open here. As you can see here, the window is now changed. So I'm already in this trade. I've been in it for a while. So as you can see here, sell banana. This is how much money I've got in the token at the minute. It tells you that I'm up 100% and I have a profit of $600 on this token. So I could just sell from this window. I don't have to go and use the Telegram bot at all, which is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, this one has taken a shat. So we'll just leave this to run whilst I'm going through and showing you the Telegram side of things. We're back in Telegram. As you can see, this is the swap for that dog token we've just bought. I wanted to just show you how that went. Now, if you click on the start menu, it will bring you up a whole load of features, guys. So copy trade, which we've already covered. They have a snipe feature as well. So if you have like a certain preset of different things that you look for when you buy a new launch of a new token on Axiom or Pump Fund, whatever it might be, you can actually set up an automatic buy and automatic sells of those tokens as long as they hit your criteria. Some people only like to buy, you know, stuff that's bundled 10% or stuff that's over 11k market cap with, you know, 10 buys, whatever it might be. You can do this. So if we click on snipe and click add, as you can see here, there's an awful lot of settings in this menu that will let you customize what it is you're buying, how much you're buying, when you're buying it, and certain thresholds. I mean, they've even got here dev holdings and Twitter. So if you want to make sure that they've got a Twitter link attached to that token, then you just click tick, and then it'll only buy what tokens that have got a Twitter, website, Telegram set up. So you can obviously do this for tickers as well. If there's a specific ticker you're looking for, then you can obviously just buy this token and add the ticker in, and it'll only buy tokens with that specific ticker. Dev wallet, if you know of a good wallet that continuously deploys a token that they always migrate, let's just say that there's one wallet that always does a really good job of migrating their tokens, they launch and 8 out of 10 tokens migrate, you can actually follow that dev wallet and it will only buy tokens from that dev wallet. Anytime that they launch a token, the bot will buy it automatically for you. You can obviously set up take profits through this window as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So this is a really good feature for you guys who are looking to buy these really early plays, 5 to 15, 20k market cap tokens, but haven't got the time of day to sit on Axiom all day long. You can just set the bot up, it'll work from your phone, and it will just buy and sell tokens as and when you've set this up. It's very, very good. It also you can also change platforms on this as well. So if you click on the little platform window, it will give you the option of 3 platforms that it can buy from, which is very, very good. So what we'll do, we'll go back to start for now. So we covered copy trade already. We just briefly covered snipe. So limit orders and auto sell. Limit orders, when maybe you're in a token or you're looking to buy a token, you can set the bot up to automatically buy and sell when the price hits those thresholds. Again, I haven't got any limit orders set up at the minute, so that window is only going to show you if you've got limit orders set up. Positions, as you can see here, this is the position window. Oh, this one's down. Oh, we're down 12% on dog. Fantastic. But it's a demonstration. I wanted to show you how it works. So when you buy a token, when you click positions, this is the window that's going to pop up. It's going to give you a load of information on how much your balance is, how much money you've got in your account, your token balance, and then what tokens you're currently in. So as you can see here, I'm in Banana. There, I currently have 5.58 SOL in that. It gives you the contract address, which you can click and copy. It gives you your P&L, whether you're up or down. And you can also print off a P&L card. If you click share, it's going to print off a nice little P&L card, share with your friends, as you can see here, which is really, really good. Let me just delete this and get that out of the way for now. Now from here, you can see it gives you the current price and the current market cap and how many tokens you have in your balance. As you can see, I've just got just under 1 million tokens. It tells you all your buys, how much you've actually bought of this token and over how many buys and sells. Now there's also a little deck screener link here, which will take you to deck screener and it will show you the token. Now underneath here, you can obviously buy more of the token that you're already in, but just make sure if you are buying more of a specific token that you have that token clicked and highlighted in this box here. As you can see, we're in 2 tokens. So bananas here, dogs here. If I want to buy more dog, for example, I'd need to make sure that there is a tick next to dog, and then I'd buy or sell these tokens. I've made the mistake of before of rushing around and not really paying attention to this, and I've sold or bought the wrong token again, and it's wrecked me. So just make sure you are ticking the right token, whatever it is you want to interact with. Sell 50%, sell 100%, or anything with a pencil next to it, a pen next to it, you can click on, and you can actually put in the box underneath, enter the percentage of how much you want to sell, or again, how much you want to buy. So we'll get rid of that for now. Sell initials, as you can see here, we're obviously down on this at the minute, but if I went to banana, for example, because I'm up nearly 50%, when it's asking me to sell my initials, it's saying that I only need to sell 45% of my bag because I'm up 100%. So that's really good that it gives you the option. It actually tells you how much of that token you are going to be selling to cover your initials, which is I think is a really, really good feature. Claim token account fee. I think this is a burning option, so you can actually burn the tokens and you claim a fee back for doing that. Sell all tokens, it'll just nuke all your tokens. Doesn't matter what you clicked on. You just click on sell all. Sell all tokens will just sell everything, so you don't have to put in the buy sell 100%. It will just literally just sell it straight away. Show and hide tokens. You can hide the token if you're in red and you don't want to see it. You can click hide. It will keep it in your wallet, but it will just remove it from this screen, so you don't have to look at it every time and just cry yourself to sleep every night. So you can just show and hide tokens from there. If we just refresh, let me see, we're down 37% on that dog one now. Fantastic. Once, obviously, now you've got your head around the buy and sell window, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just sell this dog token for the purpose of the video. Let's just see. Actually, no, I want to leave it. It's accumulating. I even marked this area out, didn't I? Right at the beginning of the video, when I brought this up, I said, you can set up a limit order. Look, even the bloody yellow lines there, if we want to buy back in that area, and that would have been a perfect entry, but we didn't. We just market bought, so I fumbled that, but whatever. So we'll leave that for now. So if we go back to start, it gives you wallet options here. Extension, obviously we've gone through the extension already. Now smart wallet, now I briefly went over this in my copy trading video, but this is a really good feature that they have, which I don't think any other trading bot has, where you can actually locate smart money for a specific token. So if we click on this and we just we'll just go and find a token, shall we? Let's go to deck screener and we'll go to Solana. I've already done this in the copy trading video, but I'm going to show you it again. Last 24 hours, this 𝐸𝐵L token has done very, very well. So let's just take the contract address for 𝐸𝐵L. We'll go back to Telegram. I'll paste that there. So as you can see here, there's been a few half decent traders, not too many actually, considering the price of the token. But the top wallet for this has made $62,000, which is 100% return. So now if you click on this wallet, it's going to give you a list of its 7-day trading history. So and its win rate, profit and loss, a lot of different really good features that you do need for just trying to track down good traders. Now, like I said in the previous video, you ideally want to aim for like a 40 to 50% win ratio. You're never going to get 100% win ratio from anyone. It's just impossible unless they're an insider. It's a fresh wallet, and they're never going to use that wallet again. So you're looking for a half decent trading history. So in the last 30 days, this guy's win rate, forgive me, is 22%. However, he has got a profit of $54,000 in 30 days, which is very, very good. But his return on investment isn't particularly good. He obviously just trades large amounts of tokens, like high value. So again, he's made 100% on this. So it looks like he's put $30,000 into this token and pulled 30,000 profit out. So he isn't the type of trader that I would personally copy trade. However, if you do find a good wallet that you would like to copy trade, if you come down to create copy trading, tick that, you can then set up a really in-depth copy trading window and profile for that specific wallet. Now, again, I've been over this in a previous video, so I'm not going to go over all this now. So if you do want to know about copy trading with TradeWiz, then that is a really good video that you can go and watch to get an idea and understanding of how to set this up. So guys, that is it for the Telegram bot. We've gone over buys and sells, copy trading, limit orders we haven't touched on, but I think I'm going to do that in another video all on its own, because I'd rather just break that up into another video just so it's easier to follow. But that was the setup and just the general overlook of the Telegram bot. Their fill speeds are phenomenal. Their bot speed is exceptionally quick, and I highly recommend just going in and just checking them out. I can't be happier with them, to be honest. I don't use Axiom. I don't desktop trade all that much. I only ever really use Telegram bots, which is why this channel is mainly around Telegram bots, because I haven't got 12 to 16 hours a day to sit on here like a cabbage and look through these new pairs with filters. For 99% of traders, this is just not achievable. This is ridiculous. I find it quite misleading when other YouTubers are telling you to sit on this and just set up a few filters and go through this. I think it's just unbelievably just stupid. I think it's crazy, I'll be honest. But I think that's for another video where I'm going to go on a tangent about how I think that this space is a bit broken at the minute and it needs a reset. Yeah, so that is TradeWiz, guys. I highly recommend you go and check them out. Use a link in the description to get set up, to get started, start your little trading journey. Use some of their filters, use their wallet signals. I think it's very good. I've got a bunch of videos coming up for some signal bots and the tangent that I want to go on about how I think that this space is broken and it needs a reset. But that's for another video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.